Zola was and the options are A realist, B naturalist, C both A and B, anti-romanticist. Emily Zola, the name which is closely related with all kind of realism, and in fact she is a great novelist. So the realism whenever appeared, it is Emily Zola who gave a boost to this movement. In fact, in her novel, we find a realism that is stark, that is grim, and that tells the human life without any kind of artificiality, without any kind of grandeur. So, the right answer of question number one is option A, that is realist. Now, here comes question number two. The expression interior monologue is most prominently connected with interior monologue, a monologue in which the inner restless thoughts are given a beautiful expression in any kind of work. And here the options are A comedies, B tragedies, C stream of consciousness technique, and D none of these. Stream of consciousness technique is a technique where the flow of thought are given a non-stop expression. So the option C, stream of consciousness, is correct answer of question number two. If you are new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe and share. I think that this video will be quite helpful to all of you if you are preparing for an internet TGT or PGT. So subscribe this channel and be with this channel so that you can get much more notification from this channel. Now here comes question number 3. In Mrs. Dalloway, the heroine is frequently reminded of her relation with. This means that Dalloway reminds the relationship with she had, and the options are option A Peter Walsh, option B Richard Dalloway, option C Sally Seton, and all of them. Mrs. Dalloway, this is a novel and it was written by Virginia Woolf. The working title of this book was Hours, though later the title was changed. And the smart fact is that this book was first published on 14th of May 1925. In this novel, we find the Dalloway's hosting of a party and her thought process. It brings us a single day in the life of Mrs. Dalloway. And another interesting fact is that this novel is in fact the combination of two short stories. The first one is Mrs. Dalloway in Bond Street. So this is the story, and another story is the Prime Minister. These two stories are combined together to give the form of the present novel, Mrs. Dalloway. And here we have to tell that the heroine, Mrs. Dalloway, thinks of her relationships with whom. And if you read the entire novel, you can find that in fact all the three options, that is option A Peter Walsh, option B Richard Dalloway, and option C Sally Seton, all the three options are correct. So here we have to click on option number D because all of them is the right answer of question number 3. Question number 4. The madness of which character is mentioned in Mrs. Dalloway? And the options are Peter Walsh, option B Richard Dalloway, option C Septimus Warren Smith, and option D none of these. Actually, in this novel, we find Septimus Warren Smith who behaves madly, and in him, the lunatic craze is seen very often. So, the right answer of question number 4 is option C, that is Septimus Warren Smith. Now question number 5. It is again from Mrs. Dalloway. In Mrs. Dalloway, the strokes and chimes of Big Ben announce, and the options are the passage of time, an imminent catastrophe, uselessness of life, none of these. So the strokes and chimes of Big Ben announce which thing? And the right answer of question number 5 is the passage of time. So the strokes and chimes of Big Ben announce the passage of time. Time is fleeting, time is moving swiftly. This sense has been carried out by the strokes and chimes of the Big Ben. Now here comes question number 6. R.K. Narayan's The Financial Expert appeared in. It is a novel, and in it we find the life of an financial expert whose name is Margaya. So here we have to tell the year of the publication of this book, and the options are 1950, option B 1951, option C 1952, and option D 1953. And the right answer of question number 6 is 1952. So this is the year in which the book was first published. So option number C is the right answer of question number 6. Question number 7. The novel Shadow from Ladakh is written by. It is a novel, really an interesting novel. In fact, this novel won Sahitya Academy Award, and this novel was written in 1966. And the background of writing this novel is Sino-Indian War. And the next year, that is 1967, this book has got Sahitya Academy Award. So the writer of Shadow from Ladakh is option number C, that is Bhavani Bhattacharya. Bhavani Bhattacharya wrote this famous novel. Question number 8. Which of the following is not written by Manohar Malgaonkar? And the options are option A, So Many Hungers, option B, The Princess, option C, Distant Dreams, option D, A Bend in the Ganges. And the right answer of question number 8 is option A, that is So Many Hunger. This is not at all written by Manohar Malgaonkar. Now question number 9. Who is the writer of the novel The Hindu Wife? And the options are Kamala Markando, option B Manohar Malgaonkar, option C Raj Lakshmi, and option D none of these. Surely I will tell the answer of this question. If you like this session, don't forget to subscribe and share this channel. The writer of the novel The Hindu Wife, and the writer of the novel is option C, that is Raj Lakshmi Devi. In fact, the title of the Hindu Wife is The Hindu Wife or the Enchanted Fruit. So this is the full title of this book. Here we can see many mythological characters and their stories along with the Indian culture and tradition. Now question number 10. Rukmini is the narrator of the story in the novel To Whom She Will by Mrs. Jabvala, Nectar in a Ship by Kamala Markando, Combat of Shadows by Manohar Malgaonkar, and option D none of these. So Rukmini works or Rukmini appears as a narrator in the story of option number B Nectar in a Ship by Kamala Markando. So this is the right answer of question number 10. So this is the last question. of this series. Hope you are enjoying this series. In this channel there are many videos. Just subscribe and share, and don't forget to comment your opinion. Thank you once again for watching this video. Thanks a lot to all of you.